We analyze how this can affect the stock's future in this video. And let me tell you that the prospects of these changes for Tesla investors are terrifying. Many investors have put their money into Tesla because of Musk's track record of success growing the electric vehicle manufacturer and realizing the unthinkable becoming a strong rival to the Toyotas and Fords. Elon Musk's decision to focus more on turning around Twitter poses significant risks to Tesla's stock price, according to Wedbush analyst Dan Ives of the world. But even though this has drawn a lot of attention to the stock, it has also led to what many analysts refer to as a key person overhang over the stock price. The future of Tesla and Musk are so intertwined that any damage to Musk's reputation damages Tesla as well. According to Ives, Musk's Twitter endeavor, Musk's company has turned into a circus act that sparks controversy almost every day and could continue to lower Tesla's stock price well beyond the current 50 decline. Things don't seem like they could get much worse, but there could be more suffering ahead. How low can the stock go? 70, 80, or 90 down? We'll have to wait and see. But before we do that, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Before we begin, let me just point out that the possible drawbacks of Elon Musk's Twitter purchase have already caused a sharp decline in Tesla's price. Since he tweeted about purchasing shares at the beginning of 2022, the price of Tesla's stock has decreased by half. Additionally, since Musk's $44 billion acquisition of Twitter was finalized at the end of last month, the price of the NASDAQ 100 hasn't changed significantly, suggesting that Tesla's decline is unique to the company. ICE forecasts that there will be more declines in Tesla shares. ICE asserts that Musk's new Twitter turnaround initiative might harm Tesla shares and its investors in three different ways. First, Musk is expected to sell more Tesla stock in order to pay for the company's expenses, since Elon Musk completed his acquisition of Twitter late last month. He has sold $3.95 billion worth of Tesla stock. Musk, the CEO of Tesla, had previously agreed to buy Twitter for $44 billion. Since announcing his plan to buy Twitter, Musk has reportedly sold 19.5 million shares of Tesla stock for a total of $15.4 billion. Although Musk is said to have bought Twitter on October 27th, it is unclear whether the money he raised was utilized to pay for Twitter or to cover losses at the company since he assumed leadership after he bought Twitter. Musk also sold more Tesla shares on November 4th. Musk said last week that the company has seen a significant loss in revenue, and that the reason for the fall in revenue from advertising is that many advertisers have ceased spending money on the site. Even though Twitter had already lost $270 million in the quarter that ended on June 30th, and only had $2.5 billion in cash on hand. Not a lot of money for a company that size. Activist groups were to blame before Musk took over. He also announced significant staff reductions and a plan to charge users $8 per month for verified accounts. Evs claims that during the 2 weeks that Musk has been in control of Twitter, the company has suffered enormous losses, to the point that it may have been necessary for Musk to sell Tesla shares during that time, which may have been used to pay back short-term loans in order to seal the deal. Elon Musk and Tesla brands could suffer as a result of his announcement that he had invested in Twitter in early April 2022, which coincided with a sharp 50% decline in the price of Tesla stock. I've cautioned that the more time Musk spends on Twitter, the more of an equipment situation this will become. Since making his Twitter position public, Musk has sold $20 billion worth of his own shares, adding to the pressure, but there are still dangers ahead. The company's biggest challenges are related to China demand, regulators looking into Tesla's autopilot driving a system, and investors concerned that Elon is talking too much about his Twitter issues. According to a Reuters tally, more than two-thirds of Musk's tweets this month, which he started posting on the platform he acquired in October, were about his efforts to relaunch Twitter. From November 1st to November 15th, only 3 of his tweets were about Tesla, a marked decrease from the average of over 16% over the previous 8 months. Elon's public remarks about Twitter have been a PR nightmare for Tesla, as they have associated the company with his contentious decision to buy the platform and his attempts to undo the purchase. Restore problematic users who have previously been suspended, such as Andrew Tate and Donald Trump, risk number 3. Musk has shifted his attention from Tesla to Twitter as the latter failed to increase Model 3 production in 2018. Investors were pleased with Elon Musk's presence at Tesla as he worked through the night and cleaned Tesla plants in California and Nevada. However, Musk has since claimed to have worked and slept at Twitter's San Francisco headquarters in early November 2022. Musk, a self-described nanomanager, has a reputation for putting in extra hours amid emergencies. Investors at Tesla are concerned about the billionaire's ability to focus in his role as CEO of the most valuable car in the world due to his extensive use of Twitter. Investors in Tesla will be irritated Gene Munster is the managing partner at Set Loop Ventures. Like I have Tesla covered too, he'll probably spend more time on Twitter than Tesla investors. Ivan stated that he will be employed by the manufacturer of electric vehicles this week. Tesla maintains offices in Palo Alto and the Fremont factory. Investors in Tesla might not believe Musk. The Munster predicted that Musk will devote 6 to 12 months on Twitter. Out that Tesla is now more independent of Musk following its acquisition of Twitter. Musk said via a video link on Monday to the business conference in Indonesia, "I have too much stuff on my plate. My workload has increased." At the Barron Investing Conference earlier this month, Musk said that Twitter is simpler to handle both SpaceX and Tesla, but Musk's commitment to those two companies, as well as many others, have long concerned the board of Tesla. In a 2018 email, for instance, Tesla board chair Robin Denham said that Musk's minimum tenure at Tesla was growing increasingly problematic. This is supported by court documents from his salary trial, which a Tesla stakeholder claims the board ignored in approving Musk's $56 billion pay plan. Another board member stated throughout the trial that the Musk was paid for outcomes rather than time. Ira and priests when questioned about the key man risk during Tesla's annual meeting in August of 2021. Musk agreed in a deposition that the company had an excellent team and that Tesla would succeed even if he were abducted by aliens or returned to his home planet. According to Reuters, billionaire investor Tim Draper stated that while some early backers may still think Musk can handle the Twitter issue, others have grown weary of the man behind the video. Last Monday, old Dan Ives of Tesla said that Musk had accomplished what the bears had been unable to do for years. About his Tesla stock, I've referred to Twitter and Albatross as a financial distraction. The Twitter circus performance featuring Trapper Musk is gradually hurting Tesla's pristine line. He stated that all of this points to the conclusion regarding Tesla stock's future, with Musk concentrating on Twitter. Despite an unpredictable macroeconomic environment, Tesla's business seems steady and demand is continuing to grow. I've added that, in light of Tesla's recent stock price decline, the company will produce 2 million vehicles in 2023. As perception is reality, and Musk is becoming more and more adept at exploiting the Twitter problem, ICE thinks that the overhang on the platform is exaggerated and annoying for the market. Ives thinks Tesla and Elon will make a comeback. He advises putting the Twitter issue out of your mind and having faith in Elon's method. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you think this video was helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe.